guys, do you want to make money on Fiverr? Yeah? Well, you don't need no experience. You don't need to be creative. You don't need to be an expert or anything like that. I'm going to show you an app where you can use and it can help you make lots of money on Fiverr doing lots of different things. Yeah, you're not stuck to doing one thing, so you can branch out and do lots of different ones. Now, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. As you can see, I'm wearing my geeky t-shirt. This is my channel, Make Money with Video. I show you different ways. I'll just get it bigger so you can see it. You don't have to see my ugly face. Now, I upload different videos showing you different ways to make money using video apps and stuff like that, guys. If you want to check them out, feel free. Let's get into it though, guys. Yeah. Now, the app I'm going to be using, which I've talked about it a few times this week, is Invidio. Now, if you look, Invidio, you can do logos, yeah? Create logos. So why not come over to Fiverr? Yeah, I've typed in logo video, and here you can see lots of different people doing making logos. Now look, these are like 1,000 plus people have rated these, yeah, 509. So yeah, the prices might not be that big, but it's starting at that, yeah. So all you need to do is upload one of these videos from upload a couple of these videos. Now you can search a few different ones. There's some great ones, or you can go here and view them all, guys. But look, there's lots of different ones. Now, not everyone wants the same kind of logos. Now, if you're uploading a few different ones, they can check them out. Now, it says starting at £3. This is in UK price, yes. It says starting at £3, which is like equivalent to like $5, guys. But you can do different gigs. Like each gig, you can have like up to 3 different price ranges, yeah. So you can start at low, like $5 or $10 or $15, and then go up next. Now, another one, guys, is intros. Now, if you look on here, it says intros and logo reveals. So you can come over to here and you can make another gig for intros. Now, these, again, lots of different ones, starting at $7.52, $11.29, free. Yeah, so there's different prices, and you can look again. They're making lots of sales. Yeah. Now back onto Invidio. Yeah. Again, you can scroll across. Video ads. It's a very popular one, guys. Now over on Fiverr, I've typed in video ads, and look at this. These prices are starting at a lot more than your $5. And you look at these; they're making lots of sales. You can scroll down and look at different ones. And just copy them, guys. Come up to ones like this, check out what they're writing, write it in your gig, yeah. Copy the prices if you really want to. Now another one, Christmas videos, yeah. So if you come over to Invidio, we can actually search. We'll just type in Christmas, yeah. Type in Christmas and see if it brings anything up. What do you know, guys? You've got some Christmas videos. Now you've got lots of different ideas, guys, haven't you? Now, back over on Fiverr, yeah, you could add these gigs, your Christmas videos, yeah, and then it's up all year round then, guys, and then people can like search for you and then come to you like leading up to Christmas and that. So look, starting at different prices, yeah. They're getting quite a few good sales, and that's all you need to do, guys. So there's 4 already. Then you got birthday videos, and again, different prices. It's selling quite a lot, yeah. Come back over to here, type in birthdays. And look at again, lots of different videos. Well, there's not as many as Christmas, but there's still enough videos here to upload to Fiverr, yeah? So all these different videos you can upload, these are different gigs, yeah? And then that means you've got multiple chances of someone buying from you. Now, someone might not be searching for Christmas videos, they might be searching for a birthday video. So they could buy a birthday video off you, then they might think, right, okay, I liked him, I'll come back at Christmas and buy another one. Now, another one, guys, you can go to local, you can upload local videos for local, like, local businesses. Yeah, so that one we'll call dentist. Yeah, I'll just write in dentist here. All you have to do, guys, whatever you fancy making, you just come over here, type it in there, and then you look what dentist videos. Yeah, you can edit. You can edit any of these, guys. Yeah, you can edit any of them. You can like change the text. And this is what you do, guys. You'll upload these to Fiverr, and when somebody clicks on that they want your kind of video, they want their logo, and all you do then is you come back over to Invidio, you click on the template they chose, and then you just change. Look, you add the logo, you just change the bit of their like details and their logo, and away you go, guys. And then you just send it in a digital like an MP4, and that's it. Yeah. And then another one, you can type in any different local business. We'll go back to that so you don't have to see my face again. Restaurant, yeah, restaurant. Look at all these different food ones and restaurants, yeah. These are really good. You look at that 41, 22, 45. Some good prices here, guys. Yeah, come over to Invidio. Let's type in I don't know, food. I might type in restaurant. Sorry. Food. Type in food. See what it brings up. Yeah, so you can bring up. Got all these, yeah. Type in restaurant, stuff like that. Now, the next one, guys, it's called listicle. Now, if you look at these kind of videos, like videos will give you information, yeah. So let's just see if you can type in listicle here. Yeah, look, guys, the video's already made for you. Look, financial investment, AIDS Day, Christmas activity, crypto, Nutella, food offers, Women's Day. You get all sorts on this, guys. You can make them. You can make them in for YouTube size. You can make them in for Facebook ads. You can make them for Instagram and TikTok. Yeah. Now another one, the last one, guys, is called text to video. Now this is a really good one because lots of people want this. Now you've seen this. You can make YouTube videos like these, so you can make them for YouTube. You can sell them for YouTube, or you can sell them just like YOLO, go and follow them. Look, £22, and another one there. These are the same kinds as what I've been showing you, right? Another one there. If you come back over to Invidio, we'll go back to the main page. Now, all of them I've just been showing you what you upload to your Fiverr are under the pre-made templates. It's 4,000 plus templates. Yeah, the text to video. You come here, look, text to video, and you've got 50 different themes. So all you do is click on that. Yeah. And you upload from there. Look, that one was just advertised there, and you've got different styles. Yeah. So people like a variety. So you just upload a few of these pictures on yours. They'll choose which one they want, and then that's it. You can do it, guys. Yeah. See, that is it, guys. Right. This is a short video, but look, just think about it. If you invest in Invidio, which the link will be in the description, okay? If you buy it from that link, I'll make a commission. You don't have to do that, guys. If you want to, go over to Invidio's website and get it from there, guys. It doesn't matter. If you buy it from mine, it's just helping me and my channel, yeah? I appreciate that, but you don't have to go that way. What I'm trying to show you and what the aim of this video is, guys, is if you get Invidio, you can upload, I mean, what did I show you then? 9 different, that's just 9, guys, yeah? Just think, if you want to do outros, you can make a gig up just saying outros. You can make a gig up saying intros, a gig up saying logos. You can also make YouTube end screens. Yeah, I don't know where they get the 2 videos. You can make them. So you can make multiple, lots and lots of different gigs. Yeah, so each gig is potentially there making you money. So just think how much money you can make if you've got lots of gigs up there. You've got lots of people buying your gigs. Yeah, you're making lots of money. You're gonna make lots of money. You can charge what you want. So all you do is go on Fiverr and you search whatever you're uploading, and then get the average. Yeah. See what those look like. If yours is better, charge a bit more. Yeah. And the more you put up, the better. So you don't have to be creative because it's already created for you. That's the good thing about Invidio. They've got lots of templates already created. So all you do then, you just change the logo, you put the logo on, and it's so simple, guys. You just drag, drop it to wherever you want it, it goes. Yeah, that is how easy it is, guys. So if you like this video, yeah, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you like this idea. If you want more videos from about Fiverr, let me know, because I've got a few ideas for it. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and until next time.